Žabac.
Emergency meeting at the theater! We are all in danger! Bring your families, hurry! Our lives are at stake! Come to the theater by the meadow!
The poachers are out to trap forest animals and take them from their families.
We're brave and strong. We can save Mr. Owl.
Our babies are trying to rescue Dr. Owl. He's been captured by the poachers.
I'm going to save my friends. Let's go!
Good luck, guys!
So are you just going to sit there being scared? All for one, right? Right!
A giant tale of courage, responsibility, and teamwork in Tiny Heroes.
Ja sam Mačak Mika, koji nije bilo ko. Hrabar, ja sam junak, volim biti to. Nevolji kad vidim druga, odmah ja sam tu. Pretvorim se i za čas, onaj sam ko nudi spas. Hrabar Mačak baš.
Ne gledaj televiziju. Gledaj DVD. Video klub Žabac.